Hey guys, today I'm going to be making slime again, but just in case this is your first slime video, if you watched, this is how you make slime. You use glue, which I prefer Elmer's glue because it's the easiest to work with. And then you need a bowl, the spoon, and contact solution, and you can use shaving cream and all that, but yeah. So I'm going to pour the glitter glue first, which I've used this glue before, but yeah, it's not very fast at coming down to the thing, so it takes a little while. Okay guys, so there wasn't a lot in there, so just gonna cap this and then put back in the drawer. Actually guys, I'm gonna go because so then we'll pour some Elmer's glue in. And I got a gallon of glue and so yeah. Oh, glue stinks. I don't smell anything with the purple glue, but yeah. So, you can also use glitter for your slime, and you can use glitter glues and glitter. So, I'm gonna grab some glitter in a container for the slime. Oh, baking soda. You can use baking soda and borax, but borax is really bad for your hands, so yeah. It makes them really itchy. I'm just going to set up my place here. Okay, so I'm going to add in some baking soda. And I've never put any yellow glitter in my slime before, so I'm going to use this yellow glitter. It's way more yellow in real life than on the camera, but yeah. Put my spoon in here and just grab a little bit. Oh, cricket. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, sorry about that. My dog was in her cage. We forgot about that. Whoops. I'm just going to mix that in, and you guys can see me and the bowl, so I'm trying to aim it. And it's getting a little purple-ish, so I might add, jeez, that scared me. Add purple glitter, because it's purplish pinkish, I guess. I'm going to get a spoon for the baking soda. And baking soda helps your slime a lot when you're making it, and yeah. So maybe next video I'm gonna do a yellow slime because this is pink now. It actually is pink. It's pretty. You guys can't really see it on camera. Maybe when it's done, you can see it more, but yeah. Jeez, I think this might be a little bit too much small for that big slime. Oh my gosh, this is not activating. I need a lot of baking soda. This slime is huge. And if you want to get glue off your hands, just go like this and it comes off of your hands. Putting a little bit more baking soda because it helps it a lot actually. If you've seen some of my other videos that has like slime in it, I use baking soda a lot and it just helps you so much with slime. And I never ever run out of contact solution because I literally have 3 bottles plus an Elmer's contact solution. And my gosh, it's starting to take a little bit of form, but it's still like runny and I'm not going to touch it because, ew. It's very sticky and it's super pink and I really like it. Is there any pink glitter in here? There's no, oh. Okay, I'm coming. Hold on, guys. Go on, Cookie. So guys, I found pink glitter and yeah, my mom's sleeping and she's being loud. Oh my gosh, look at this pretty pink slime. It's like it's not super pink, but it's pink though. Like you can definitely see it. But I have 3 other glitter glues, but they were also used in another slime, but yeah. Okay guys, this looks so sticky. Ah, why did I touch it? I put baking soda in. Oh no, because baking soda kind of makes it like a little bit stiff. Okay, went in with my hand, guys. I'm gonna keep one free. I'm gonna keep one freehand, but I need some contact solution. And when you do this alone, it's really hard because like when you do this with somebody, you can like put both your hands in and then just have them put in the contact solution for you. It's like so much more convenient, but then when you do it alone, you're just like, help. And it's really hard to mix with just one hand, so. Sometimes I put 2 hands, but like not always. Because, yeah. I think this is taking a little bit of form. And oh my gosh, the bowl. I'm gonna put in a little bit of contact solution, and it got a little lumpy because geez, that was loud. It got a little lumpy because of all the contact solution, and I need to and I need to get the glue from the sides. So here is the slime, and I need to knead it a little bit more because it's kind of lumpy from all that. So I'm gonna put in a little bit of glue so that it's like not as like lumpy and powdery as it is. But yeah, that's the slime, and it's a little pink or purple pink. I can't really decide, but it's just like really faded, so that's why you can't see it on camera. I'm just going to get the glue off the side. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's add a little bit more glue, though. We have a gallon. It's so hard to open. There, just a little bit. And I know that most of the purple is going to just fade, but like, I'm putting it in because I'm helping it, so I'm going in with the hand. Ew. But this is actually kind of helping it, so it was a good idea to do it. And I'm not going to put in any more baking soda because then like it would get just more powdery and then I'd have to add even more glue, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to waste my glue. So the pink mainly just came back, it like stuck there, and this is a very big slime. I'm going to put some solution in. And it is sticking to my hand so bad. Okay. I'm just like helping out my other hand get out of this muck. Oh gosh, guys. Okay, so it kind of faded off. It faded off mainly. There's only a little bit of it you can see. No, really. I'm going to put a little bit of contact solution because it's really sticky. And it's still kind of powdery, but if you knead it a lot, then it won't be that powdery. But yeah, so this is fine, guys. And let's do all the tests, which I forgot to do in the past videos, but we can just do them now. The glitter, guys, I almost forgot about the glitter. I'm gonna put in this pom-com. It's like shimmery pink glitter, and it's really pretty. Like metallic-y pink glitter. Okay, guys, let's do all the tests. We have 3 or 4 tests we need to do. Oh my gosh, this slime's so pretty. So, first one is pokey test. I think this could like have a better poke at it. So let's like activate it just a little bit more because that sometimes helps it. Okay, guys, so now it's not as sticky, so let's try to poke it. It's not that good at poking, but that's okay because the crunch is like so good. So let's try the crunch because the crunch is like the best part and it's really stretchy. Oh my gosh, the crunch. And now the stretch. Oh my gosh. Let's do an Instagram swirl. Oh wait, we need to do the bubble and then the Instagram swirl. I hope this isn't a big bubble. So that was a fail. Here, I'm going to push the computer back so that it doesn't like wreck the computer. Because that would really, I would hate if my computer got wrecked. Let's crunch it. It's kind of wet though, so I'm just gonna like kind of just like do this to it so that, yeah, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of baking soda so it's not as wet. And oh my gosh, guys. So guys, that was the video, and it was really fun making this slime. Stay tuned for when I make the yellow slime, which is probably going to be the same knit as this one, but